Welcome back to Charge Safe Drive, where we bring you the latest on automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome Luxury 6X6. This beast of a machine is Toyota's bold step into the high-end off-road camper, market-blending rugged capability with first-class comfort. If you've ever dreamed of taking luxury off the beaten path, this might just be your ultimate. Let's start with what makes this camp motorhome stand out. The 6 drivetrain, unlike your typical four-wheel drive motorhome, this one has six wheels putting power to the ground, providing unmatched traction and stability, whether you're tackling deep mud, rocky inclines, or sandy dunes. Toyota's intelligent all-wheel power distribution ensures you stay in control under the hood. Toyota has equipped this monster with a 3.5L twin turbo V6 hybrid powertrain delivering around 500 horsepower and 650 lp-ft of torque. That means you're not just getting a camper, you're getting a powerhouse capable of towing heavy loads and conquering rough terrain with ease. And thanks to its hybrid system, it offers better fuel efficiency compared to traditional gas-guzzling RVs, giving you more range for those long journeys. Now let's talk about design on the outside. The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome Luxury 6 XX6 is a head-turner with its aggressive stance, reinforced steel bumpers, and high ground clearance. It looks ready for anything. Toyota has also incorporated adaptive air suspension, allowing you to raise or lower the ride height depending on the terrain, plus the LED light bar and integrated solar panels on the roof. Add both functionality and a futuristic touch step inside, and this is where the luxury kicks in. The interior is a blend of high-end materials, smart space utilization, and cutting-edge technology. Premium leather seats, real wood accents, and ambient lighting create a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. The living space includes a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and a compact oven. The dining area easily converts into a spacious sleeping zone, and there's even a king-size bed in the rear for ultimate comfort for tech lovers. Toyota has packed this motorhome with next features: a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, controls everything from climate settings to navigation, and it's compatible with voice commands. The smart home integration allows you to adjust lighting temperature and even monitor security cameras from your phone. And if you're worried about power, the onboard lithium battery system combined with solar charging keeps everything running smoothly. Even when you're off-grid, safety is also a priority. The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome comes with an advanced driver assist package, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras for easier maneuvering, plus the built-in emergency satellite communication system ensures you can always call for help, no matter how remote your adventure gets. So who is this luxury 6x6 camper motorhome? For if you're overlanding enthusiast who refuses to compromise on comfort. This is for you if you want the freedom to explore rugged landscape while enjoying five-star amenities. This is for you. Toyota has managed to build a vehicle that blurs the line between adventure machine and luxury retreat. Of course, all this capability and refinement come at a price. And while Toyota hasn't officially revealed the numbers yet, expect it to sit in the premium range. But for those who can afford it, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome Luxury 6XX6 is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade. What do you think of this beastly camper? Would you take it on an epic cross-country road trip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, drive safe and charge forward.